sugar stocks have been in focus. We've seen ethanol prices are seeing a rise coming in. That's what the announcement came in yesterday. We have Pramod Patwari, who is the CFO at Balrampur Chini Mills, joining in with us this afternoon. Now, thank you so much, sir, for joining in with us on Buy Now, Sell Now and ET Now this morning. And I want to firstly start with, obviously, the ethanol price increases that we've seen coming in. Are they actually in line with your expectations and the industry expectations?
Yeah, thank you for having me on this call. The price increase which the government of India has announced yesterday will help the sugar industry to divert or supply more and more ethanol out of its current capacity. But we have already achieved 10% blending in the current year, and our expectation is that industry may move to 12% in the next year. But now we have come at a stage where more and more diversion of sugar is required for converting into ethanol. For that to happen, we need more and more capacities which can produce ethanol out of juice route. So from that perspective, the prices of juice needs to be holistically reviewed in view of increase in the capital cost of putting up the capacities, increase in the input cost, increase in the fuel cost in particular, as well as the cost increase for meeting the environmental norms.
Right. So, just one more thing also I want to understand. So, how have the cane FRP and SAP prices trends been, and how good or bad ethanol price increase has been with respect in terms of the raw material pricing, if we compare that?
Yeah, whenever there will be any increase in the FRP price, there will be a corresponding increase in the ethanol prices, which we have already seen. Our point of view at this point in time is for more and more diversion to happen into ethanol, the prices of juice-based ethanol needs to be revisited.
And, what about, obviously the ethanol prices, government raised the ethanol prices, but what about the pricing in terms of your contracts with the OMCs then?
See, government has announced the prices. These are applicable from 1st of December 22. Tender has already been floated. So now we will be getting the new price for the tendered quantity.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for joining in with us this morning on ET Now. It's a pleasure having you on the show, getting more insights on the ethanol pricing and how it works out for companies as well. But on that note, we'll slip into a very short break. You guys don't go anywhere. We'll be back with your stock-related queries after this break.